Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Nuphy Air 75 V2 Mechanical Keyboard. While the top frame of Air 75 retains its minimalistic look, with the exception of one more color choice, basalt black, the bottom case has gone through fundamental yet subtle changes. Thanks to the improved laser texturing process, the bottom case is now both more transparent and finer textured, rendering the interiors of Air 75 clearly visible, and play into its overall aesthetics. From the PCB to the battery, the internal components are colored to match your keyboard's color theme, which together with the now wavy, ionic bottom furrows give off a layered, nuanced vibe. To top it off, the light bars glasses are plated with thin layers of metal to enhance both its consistency with the overall look and durability. Desktop, laptop, or mountaintop. The agility of our V3 stands, paired with Air 75's great portability, give their users great liberties in choosing the place and style to work and play. Through state-of-the-art chips and attention to details that facilitate radio wave propagation, we have put the new Air 75 in the ranks of 1000 Hz pro gaming keyboards in 2.4G speed, as well as endurance with a 60% larger 4000 mAh battery. Air 75's wireless experience has been elevated so much that it is difficult to tell from a wired one. Number 2, CIDOO V65 Mechanical Keyboard. After releasing several keyboards and receiving feedback from the community, we at CIDOO are excited to launch an extremely powerful mechanical keyboard that supports VIA programming. With a 65% layout, the keyboard retains all of the essential keys for daily work and gaming, along with cursor keys. Furthermore, with VIA keyboard programming, you can assign additional keys and functions to fully remap your keyboard for your every need. This means that you get a fully functional keyboard with only 65% of the size. VIA allows you to create macros and remap your keyboard layout to quickly access any function in any program. And with onboard memory, you can save and switch between up to 6 different layers. The V65 is ideal for those who demand accuracy, speed, reliability and endurance for long gaming sessions. The V65 is designed as a gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard with poron dampening foam and an included PC plate. Gasket mounting is a type of keyboard structural mounting design, where no screws are used in the switch plate. By placing a gasket within the keyboard construction, the typing feels smoother and more cushioned, with added structural integrity over time. Number 3, Nuphy Air 60 V2 Mechanical Keyboard. From the PCB to the battery, the internal components are colored to match your keyboard's color theme, which together with the now wavy, ionic bottom furrows give off a layered, nuanced vibe. To top it off, the light bars glasses are plated with thin layers of metal to enhance both its consistency with the overall look and durability. Light as air, and powerful as pro, Air 60 V2 enhances Nuphy's 4 years tradition of supporting mobile computing devices, with unparalleled Bluetooth/2.4G connection quality and speed. Our trio of the portable keyboard, device, and stand, can make you feel right in front of your desk, at any place of your choice. With the help of the improved Air feet, the new Air 60 confines its natural habitat effortlessly on top of almost any laptop keyboard in the world. Small in size, it is also mindful to leave some space for the features Touch ID etc., usually located at the top of the panel for you to access. Number 4, Drunkdera 75 Mechanical Keyboard. Rapid trigger smoothly adjusts key actions and allows mid-motion repeats without fixing the actuation point. It provides faster response than traditional keyboards, giving you an edge in FPS and rhythm games such as Valorant. Adjustable actuation distance, actuate from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm, switching 9 levels in 1 second for different input situations. Dual action keys, program 2 different actions to the same key for powerful gaming. Working shortcuts never miss, It's able to set 2 different active points on one key through the dual action keys function to ensure you'll never miss the key you press. Triggered once pressed, reset once lifted. Ultra response speed, 10 times faster than the traditional mechanical keyboard. Available for macOS and Windows. Available in black and white without keycaps. Number 5. Drunk Deer 75 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. Ultra response speed, 10 times faster than the traditional mechanical keyboard. Brand new switch sensation. Hall effect. No physical contact with the switch when key pressed. Adjustable actuation distance. Actuate from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm. The adjustable precision is 0.1 mm. Durable PBT double shot keycaps. Material upgrades bring a better gaming experience. PBT translucent keycaps with 18 color lighting for a more exciting gaming experience. Rapid trigger, triggered once pressed, reset once released. Continuously active and instantly deactivate. Perform an immediate accuracy in FPS games. Patented shock absorbing structure. Tray mount with shock absorbing. Provides comfortable key striking feeling without affecting the internal space.